Hi everyone! In this video I will show you a few creative ways to use the metronome.
You use this? Sometimes. I thought only beginners did.
Let's play the bass line of Thighs High from Browne. Now I'm gonna play the same bass line with different use of the metronome. Training this way will improve your time feel and your groove. That's all. Of course, you could go further, and there's 1,000 creative ways to use the metronome. I just showed you the basics. Don't let the metronome drive you. Drive the metronome.
Now watch this drive.
If you wait for the machine to tell you when is the first beat, you will never be able to play your note in time, and you will never develop a strong time feel. What about you? Do you use the metronome?
I can't play with that thing.
And how do you use it? Please leave your comments.